So among the many lies, it's hard even to keep track of all the lies, but Joe Biden's DHS secretary has told us repeatedly the border is completely secure. But now the chief of the Border Patrol just contradicted that in the starkest possible terms. For that story, Fox's Trace Gallagher joins us now. Hey, Trace.
Hey, Tucker, he could not have been more clear if he stood on top of the Paso del Norte bridge in El Paso and yelled, "Liar, liar." It is a quadruple blow to the Biden administration because Border Patrol Chief Raul Ortiz defied DHS Secretary Alejandro Mayorkas and President Biden by saying this.
Does DHS have operational control of our entire border?
No, sir.
You heard the secretary. He said we have operational control. That's the definition of operational control.
Based upon the definition you have, sir, up there, no.
We don't have operational control.
No, sir.
And there was more. Chief Ortiz also said the border is not secure. He defended horseback agents who President Biden accused of whipping Haitian migrants. And then he offered a final spike in the heart by simultaneously coming after this administration and supporting the previous administration, saying it was a mistake to stop building the wall, Trump's wall. Chief Ortiz also pleaded for Congress to give him more border agents and asked for the tools to deliver consequences. That's important, right? Because for 26 months, millions of migrants have crossed the border and received zero consequences. The chief told lawmakers this fiscal year alone, 385,000 illegal immigrants have evaded Border Patrol. Those are people that border agents tried to catch but didn't, the gotaways. And an additional 79,000 snuck into the country completely undetected. The final blow might be the chief's language, where, contrary to Secretary Mayorkas, Ortiz referred to the border situation as a, quote, crisis. Much more on this tonight on Fox News at Night, Tucker.
Trace Gallagher, thanks so much for that story.
You bet.
Subscribe to the Fox News YouTube channel to catch our nightly opens, stories that are changing the world and changing your life. From Tucker Carlson Tonight.